Hi, I'm Sarah Tull. I'm a Senior Project Executive at CBG Building Company. And today, we're at Camp NAWIC. So I'm gonna walk you around and show you what we're doing today. Come on. So today the girls are learning about plumbing, and the apprentices right now are learning about cast iron and fittings to be able to create the peace sign. So the apprentices were also set up into groups and learned how to build toilets, and they raced each other and we timed them. The apprentices over here are learning how to work with copper pipe, and they're learning how to solder. And then once they bring their soldered piping, they're learning to work with copper fittings to be able to make jewelry stands that they can take home.